You wouldn't think that a minor part of your home, like the gutter, would be such an important part of preventing problems around your home, but it is. I'm Beth Allen, DIY expert and licensed contractor, founder of DIY Hip Chicks, and it is gutter time. Here's why gutter maintenance is so important. It prevents roof damage in the winter. It prevents basement flooding. It prevents mold and mildew growth inside and outside your home. And it prevents damage to the fascia and wood framing behind the gutter line. So now that we know why it's so important to maintain your gutters, let's talk about how and what supplies you'll need. A proper ladder to safely reach the top of your home. A bucket to keep all of the gross stuff in. A scoop, a garden hose, a metal coat hanger, a sponge, and gutter accessories like leaf guards and extension tubes. Use a gutter scoop to clear out the dry and wet debris from your gutters and put it into a bucket. Consider DIY gutter guards that snap into place to prevent future backups. To really clear out the gutters, use your hose to flush out the gutter and wash away any remaining debris. If debris seems stuck, unwind a coat hanger and gently pass it into the downspout to loosen it up. If you find that you have an annoying dripping sound after a rainstorm in your downspouts, you can grab a kitchen sponge and put it in the bottom, and it will help drown out that noise. But that dripping is also a sign that those gutters need to be cleaned. So make sure you follow those steps and be safe and protect your home from water's damage.